Wait.
Welcome back to the garage. Today I thought we'd do a little bike check. Ozzie, what bike are you riding?
A Transition Ripcord.
Awesome. And what's your favorite thing about your bike?
That has more gears.
What else?
And that it is easier to do stuff on it.
Is that because it's a full suspension bike?
Yes.
Yes. So I got this bike for him just this past summer. When I got it for him, it was just a little bit too big. He's grown into it nicely though, as you can imagine. It's going through quite a few bikes. It gets bigger. I don't know what's wrong here. But hopefully this one will last him a little bit longer. Did get him the full suspension bike. I'm really hoping that we can go out and do some more fun trails. What do you think about that?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you like to go down some better downhill trails than we have around here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wait.
If you know any good trails for Ozzie and me to go out and ride, leave it in the comments. And if you like seeing more of Ozzie, maybe even more of me, I don't know, really he's the star here, then subscribe. I'll see you next time. Ozzie, say bye.